it's your girl, Mommy in Heels. I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become part of the Heel Gang. And also make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any uploads from moi, okay? So if you haven't seen the first video where I showed you the initial walkthrough of my custom closet, I'm gonna link the video below so you can check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna talk y'all head off. I'm just gonna give y'all what y'all came here for. All right, so here it is. So let's get started. So when you first walk into my room, if you look straight ahead, y'all, you see that that beautiful sofa. That sofa right there is from Ross, y'all. That end table is from Ross. That plant on top of the table is from Walmart. Yes. So I try to stay within a budget when I was shopping for my room, but I wanted everything to basically you know, come together, and I think it came together fine. The lights, the flashing string lights were from Amazon. They're actually party lights, and I got this idea from watching Miss Diva Light. She redid her space, and I thought it was so cute, so I added some lights to mine as well. The curtains are from the At Home store. Okay, so I just kept it real simple, and yeah, everything kind of came together. Now, the ottoman, the gold ottoman you see there in the middle, that is from Ross as well. The circular rug is from the At Home store. Okay, and yeah, all this, like I said, was very affordable, very inexpensive. The fluffy rug over there in the corner, that was from Amazon as well. And yeah, so I like the way it came out. I wanted to keep everything, you know, try to keep everything cohesive and not do too much. But I really do like the way it came out. Okay, so when you first walk in my room, that's the first thing you see is like bow right there. But when you go to the side, I have my vision board. Okay, and my vision board, I did a video on my vision board not too long ago, and y'all, I'm just surprised at some of the things that are happening already. I know that right now we're going through quarantine and there's a lot of, you know, unfortunate situations, but I can say that I've already seen a lot of things that I manifested on my board come to play. So I do think it's good making a vision board, because you actually start to see some of these things. It's just amazing, some of the things that are happening right now. But anyway, that's my vision board. If you go down here, you'll see this vase. I had this vase since Italy, and I just put some little decor in there. I thought it was kind of cute just to add right there. But yeah, I had that for a minute. And then if you go back and you look at the ceiling, that is my little chandelier. That chandelier is from the At Home store. No, I'm sorry. That chandelier is from Home Depot. Yep, that chandelier was Home Depot. I forgot how much it was, but it's just something cute to add to my room. I thought it was very girly, very diva-like. So yeah, so I'm going to step in a little bit further, and I'm recording this with my hand. So if the video seems kind of shaky, I do apologize. So we're going to go over to this side of the room. And this side of the room, this is my custom vanity that my husband and father-in-law built. I do love the way that it turned out. Okay. The lights up there, those lights are from Home Depot as well. Let me turn it on so y'all can see the full effect. Okay. So those lights are from Home Depot. This system, like I said, this whole system, the shelves and everything was custom made. They bought most of the stuff from Home Depot, but he kind of put it together themselves. I kind of just told them what I wanted and they just made it happen. That mirror right there is actually from the Goodwill, y'all. It's from the Goodwill. It was actually a wooden mirror, which my husband ended up painting white for me, and it fits so well in there. And so, yeah, I was surprised. You'll be surprised at some of the stuff you'll find at your local Goodwill or thrift store. Some things you can kind of just use, you know, and just kind of make it your own. So definitely shop there. So this is my little office space. I got my little computer over there. Y'all see my little like a boss. And my makeup. This is some of my makeup. This is not all of my makeup, but this is just some of my makeup. And this little system I got from Amazon too. But the one thing I do not like about this is I cannot fit a lot of things in there. The only thing I can fit in here is my lipsticks. Like, I can't put my powders down here. I thought it'd be more space. So that's, you know, that's kind of whack, but it works for now. This little mirror right here, I got this from Ross, I believe. And I don't know if you guys know, but when I'm filming, this is my little setup area right here. I'm sitting in this chair right here and I'm filming in this area right here. So if you see that plant behind me, this is where I'm filming at. So these shelves, I got most of my shoes just on the shelves. On this side, I have some miscellaneous stuff. I have some office work. I have some more shoes. I don't have any real organization for that yet or how I want it to be, but I just wanted to show y'all how everything came together. And I wanted to get this video out because I have nothing but time right now. So I thought it'd be a good time at any just to go ahead and get this video out. Y'all, that chair right there, this is so cute. I love this chair right here. This swivel chair, y'all, was from Amazon. Ain't it so cute? And it's gold at the bottom. And the back of it matches the sofa over there that I got from Ross. So I thought that was so cute. And it definitely gave my room that added something that it needed. Ain't that cute? But yeah, so that's my little vanity area. And then up top, I just have my purses. They just a mess. They just all up there. But yeah, so I don't have any real structure or layout. I just have everything in its own place right now. I'm going to go to the side so y'all can see what's on the right side of my room, which is more shoes. At the top, there's more shoes up there. You see my little red bottoms, okay? But at the top, there are more shoes, more clothes. And again, this whole system was custom made. So if you see my first video, you'll know I got most of the items from Home Depot. You got to watch that first video because in the first video, I mentioned what the item was. I think it was like a T2. It was the name of the item. And so basically what it was it came with the shelves, but it didn't come like this. So my husband and my father-in-law had to, you know, add their own shelves. They did some customizations with the poles. They measured some things to kind of get it to fit the way I wanted to. So it didn't come exactly like this. That's why I said it's a DIY because we kind of made it our own. On the side, I have most of my blouses and button-ups. On this side, I have bodysuits and turtlenecks. At the bottom, you see I have some pants. I have some jeans. On this side, I have more dresses. On this side, I have more shoes. So, and this is not even all of my shoes, y'all. This is just some of my shoes. These are some of the ones that I'm wearing right now. Yeah. So in this little space right here, and I might change this up. I decided to put my shades, my glasses. I have some scents over here, some perfumes. In this drawer, I have most of my scarves. I thought this was like a, you know, a cute place to put my scarves at. Just kind of have them folded up and neat, nice and neat in there. And then in these cabinets, I have my purses. I have most of my little clutches and my little fanny packs. My small bags are in this. So yeah, I thought that's a good place to put them at right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna step back so y'all can get the full effect of how that looks. And I try to utilize this space as much as I could, you know. So over here on this side, I have another wardrobe rack. This rack was from Amazon as well. And this is where I put most of my dresses or most of my, oh, look at me. Hey. But anyway, this is where I put most of my dresses, maxi dresses, bodysuits, jumpsuits, things that are too long. I kind of put on this wardrobe rack so it won't drag on the floor. But I do love this. This is very easy to put together. I'm gonna move this out the way so I can show y'all what's in the back of this. So in the back of the wardrobe rack, I have another closet. This is just storage for me, and I'm not gonna open it up because it looks a hot mess in there. But in there, I just have some wigs. I have my weave stash. I have some miscellaneous items. I have purses, more shoes, all of that. So I'm not even gonna open that door up because it looks a hot mess in there. Over here is this little long mirror. I got this mirror from the at-home store as well. What do you call this thing? Oh my God, I forgot what you call this. But I ordered this right here. I ordered this from Amazon. Okay, and it was very easy to put together. I really didn't know how to decorate it, so I just kind of added some miscellaneous stuff. This flower, these roses were from Dollar General. These candles were from the at-home store. I put my little notebook back there. The shot glasses, that set was a gift from my sister. At the bottom, y'all, we got the good stuff. We got the wines. These wines are from Italy, and I have my champagne glasses. Those champagne glasses were a gift at my last khaki ball, and I like to read, so these are just some miscellaneous books that I've read. And yeah, so I didn't know how to decorate it, so I just kind of added some things that I liked up there just to you know what I mean, so that I'm using some space up. But I think it came out cute and simple. So yeah, so let me put this back. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see how it looks from this angle. And of course you see my little ring light. That's what I film with most of the time when I need some extra light. Up top, you see those little stars. I got those from a place called Didi's Discount. And I thought I needed something up there, so I thought that would be cute just to add those up there. All right, so that is it, y'all. That is it from my room tour. All right, y'all, so that concludes this video. I'm sorry if it seems a little rushed. It's because my baby woke up from his nap and he was about to act up, okay? So I had to hurry up and get through this video, but I'm glad you guys stuck around. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please like it and also comment. Tell me what was your favorite part about my room. If you have anything I can change, add to, take away, please let me know because I'm open to criticism, okay? Till next time, as always, be blessed and thanks for watching. Mwah. Purple labels, upgrade,